You started games when I'm not here, Chiku?
Yeah, Atta game. Atta said let's play some games, so I was so excited. I'm liking it so much. It's like so fun, like operating these buttons.
Okay. Let's see how you play. This is one of the most fun games you can play on PS5. Easy, it's already loaded, you don't need to pay for it. And it shows the controller, all the best things about the controller. Good one, Chiku.
Thank you.
Come on. Almost there. Look how she is moving. Thinking it will move the controller. Thinking it will move the character too. I do that too sometimes. Because the game is so engaging. Good job.
Thank you.
Jump. Not to the water. My turn for the day is done in the morning. I played F1 for almost 2-3 hours. Now it's her turn. Small time. Holidays for them too. And then Manogna has to play. Me and Manogna play sometimes, but then there are very few games which are multiplayer, and most of them are action like COD or Mortal Kombat. She likes games like It Takes Two. Watch out at least the trailer on YouTube if you want to know what the game is about. And tell me how many of you got vaccinated 18 to 44. I've been trying to get into that CoWIN platform. There are some Telegram pages which gives you alert when the slots open, but they're going in like fraction of a second. Literally, you can by the time I've seen cases where there are like 300 slots available, and suddenly when I go into the booking page or when I enter that captcha code, gone. Like 300 slots gone in few seconds. Like that's crazy, man. PS5 was easy to get, then vaccine slots for 1844. Hope I can get it. We'll try few more attempts. See, this is what I was talking about. You have this Telegram page under 45, above 45, and see, it's just 2 minutes ago. The moment I open it, Telangana, Rangareddy. See? Let's try 18 plus. It's gone. I'm sure it would be gone by now. People are so fast. See, oh, there is one. Wait, let me try this. WJTZJ. See, this vaccination center is completely booked for the selected time. Getting vaccinated shouldn't be a game of trial and error or luck, man. This is not right. There needs to be a better system. You have to cross multiple levels to get to a stage where you can book the slot. It shouldn't be this difficult, yeah. Like, not right. And now time to watch something that made up so much of my teens and my 20s that it is very nostalgic. Watching this show reminds me so much of my time in US in my master's program, end of bachelor's year. Oh boy, this takes me back long time as much as it does for them. I'm talking about the French reunion. It's on Z5. Just started it. Make sure you watch it. Let me know who's your favorite character in Friends. It's a movie, just a reunion of them reprising some of the memories. I'll finish this one and the review will be up on Instagram page. So make sure you follow me on Instagram, because I have a pick section of stories where I pick the best movies or TV shows and I post it up regularly as and when I watch it. Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are and when you're watching this. It's 6 a.m. in the morning on a Sunday. Reminds me of riding days. Finally decide to head out on the bike. Yeah, let's do it. Been missing it for so long, and on the Ducati. It's been ages. Feel like years actually. The cover came for this bike. Found something on Amazon temporarily, so we'll cover it once I'm back. We'll see if it'll fit. It's a big bike. But this is not. Look how easy it is to maneuver. If you're new to this channel and if you're not from India, there's a lockdown here, but it's being relaxed. There is a slight lag with the way some Ducatis start. Whenever you press this ignition switch, it's not like instant, but I like it. It is very mechanical in nature. Doesn't this exhaust sound so nice from the back? Like, that's the engine note and this is the exhaust note. I thought roads are going to be free, but they're not. Initially, I thought of getting out at 6 o'clock, but then was lazy to get out. Sunday morning, no wonder there is traffic, but at least all of them are wearing masks. Enjoying that breeze, and hope you heard that pop. You wanna see the Odo on this? Just 473, man. I would have finished 1000 by now if there was no lockdown. That reminds me, maybe I should get the first service done. It's usually 1 month or 1000 kilometers. This is like, imagine that peak hot summer in the afternoon, you played some cricket game or something and come back home, have a nice thumbs up or a juice or something nice, something that's cold. Same feeling here. Missed riding this bike, man. This is so flickable and maneuverable in the city. So what's up? What's happening with you guys? Sorry if I missed a video in the last week. Usually I'm trying to do 2 to 3 videos. 2 definitely, 3 depends on the content. Don't want to just make videos for the heck of the volume. Didn't have much to record. Could have taken this bike out then, but I just didn't feel like it. And thanks to PS5, me and Manogna are playing this game called It Takes Two. I'll show you later in the evening if it's in the same video or in a different video maybe. It's just that these guys are building so fast here. Aurobindo, they're already up 20 floors in a matter of 9 months. Nice. You like that symbol? This bike gives me so much confidence, man. Whenever I'm cornering, those tires don't look the softest of the compounds, but they have quite a decent grip. And because this bike is so flickable and light compared to my 850, it gives me that extra confidence. Wind in the chest and the face, that exhaust note, that's the best feeling. That's the main reason I first purchased the Bentley 300. I wanted a timeout, like it's what, 2015 or 15 I guess. In 2014 my father passed away. I had a lot of responsibilities at home. I just needed a way out, and that was it. And oh boy, sorry if I'm laughing like a joker, but like not a funny joker, but like the psychotic Joker in the Joker movie. This bike was so apt for that movie Venom. Hope you saw that Venom 2 trailer. There's no Ducati anymore in the Venom series, but that is one thing I loved in that movie. And this kind of brings the dark side of you. You might have seen this stretch quite a few times before. Just want to wave hi to Shiva. We'll meet obviously downstairs in the parking lot, not upstairs in the home, because I haven't taken a shower. Not that I'm concerned anything about COVID. It's because I haven't stepped out like ever since the lockdown happened. I love the look of this bike in this angle. See, these are the tires I was talking about. They look like knobbies, but surprisingly they have an amazing grip. Pirelli MT60 RS tires. This is the best angle of this bike. Maybe this. I don't know. You should let me know which is the best angle. I have a certain preference. Already hot. And love that light. 3 takes. Bonne glass lo. Plastic this taste feel rather. Today has been called off. Go back to bed. Sunday pute
Bye, Charan. Bye, Charan.
Bye. Whenever I come to this area, I'm like amazed by the growth. This is the Kokapet area, Narsingi, Kokapet, and look at all the constructions that are coming up here. Like, you will be so amazed and surprised. In 5 years, mark my words, this will be a transformed space. Let's go left here. There is a shortcut to Gachibowli ISB road that Chaitanya showed me. I like this route. Why? The rare slit there. This is so addicting and fun, man. When I first came to Hyderabad, the Forum Mall area was pretty much like this, under construction, and look how it has transformed now. So this would also go probably a few times better and bigger. There will be IT companies, apartments coming up. So this is the place to be in if you're into real estate and properties. Hey, solar roofs. Nice. This MySpace Courtyard looks good, yeah. But it would be very expensive in this area. Villas in this area would definitely cost at least 40,000-50,000 rupees per square yard. 95 RON. We have XP95 here, which is 95 octane petrol. So this is 101.76. Normal petrol कितना है?
इससे 3 रुपये कम था।
3 रुपये कम। एक्स्ट्रा प्रीमियम बंद हो गया क्या?
हाँ, एक्स्ट्रा प्रीमियम बंद हो गया। वही है, मतलब कि चेंज करके और इसमें क्या बोलते हैं, इसका नाम चेंज कर दिया और उससे थोड़ा महंगा वाला आ गया। 1 रुपये उससे महंगा हो गया।
और 500 कर लो। This has a reserve of 4 liters. It took already 5 liters as such. So want to have 5 liters beyond reserve. At least half a tank. Let's see how much mileage we get with the new XP95 graded petrol. So the guy is saying that extra premium was rebranded to be XP95. We are getting finally the rated fuel for this bike. And I always go for this bunk because this seems to have better quality. There's one near Naturals in Jubilee Hills, that's also good, and one near the old BMW showroom. And most of the time this bike is going to be in the city, so we'll just go with 95 octane. This has at least 95 RON, so you can use 100, but that's too much of probably octane to you. The engine best works with 95 octane. Jargon. Anyway, enough of this jargon. I'm hungry. Need to go home, have some breakfast, chill. So we'll catch you guys later. Hope you enjoyed that short ride in the city. Lockdowns have been quite a bit more relaxed from today. It's going to be till 1 p.m. when the lockdowns relax. We have buffer till 2, but 1 is the maximum. Make it 12:30 just to be on the safe side because of traffic and all. If you have anything, any important work to do, you have much more time to get it done now. For us, maybe once in a week bike ride, that's it. Let me know what you think of that short bike ride. This looks so small besides that, and we have a cover for both the bikes now. Nicely covered in the shade. Just in time for the monsoon, so perfect timing. That's it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and in case you're watching this at night time, have a good night. Oh, by the way, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe and share button. Bye bye.